Dear students, this is Mentors English Express and I am Sudha Oberoi. Today I am going to explain you how to overcome exam phobia. I know all of you are busy preparing for your board exams, which are a few months ahead. You all are working hard, burning midnight oil to get good percentage in board exams. Exam fear is nothing, just a phobia. So you will have to overcome this fear to become confident. If you are studying for 4-5 hours a day with concentration, you can definitely get good percentage in your board exams. Even an average student can get good marks no matter how weak he was in the past. So if you had been an average student, gear up. Let us talk about an average child. All children are alike. It is your attitude towards studies or an amount of hard work you have put in the past years that decides your level of average. So, even if you had not been a very good student in the past, if you work hard in these 3-4 months, you will definitely improve your percentage. So, exam for an average child is fear. Why? Because of not studying systematically, because they do not have any proper plan to study. So, you must do systematic preparation, because systematic preparation is going to give you command over the subject. It is going to make you confident. Practice makes a man perfect. So let's apply this formula in preparing systematically, because hard work is going to yield results. It's going to bring success to you. There are some important tips that you should follow while you are preparing in these 3-4 months. Your tip number 1 is to difficult portion of the chapter with red color sketch pen. This is going to indicate that you have not been able to understand that portion clearly because it was difficult for you. You need not become stressed at all. Read the marked portion twice, thrice, so that the concept becomes clear, as practice makes the man perfect. Even then, if you are not able to understand, you can contact your teacher and clear all your doubts. If you are watching any online video, watch it repeatedly. I am sure that ultimately this little effort will be beneficial for you. Repeatedly watching of video and reading of the chapters will make your concept clear and will definitely give you command over the difficult portion. Your tip number 2 is mark important points of the chapter with green color sketch pen. This is the portion which you can get as questions in the board exams. So this portion should be marked with green sketch pen. It will be easy for you to revise these important points thoroughly before appearing for the exam. This is going to reduce your stress, as you need not read the whole chapter again. Your tip number 3 is study difficult subjects with fresh mind in the morning. Now children, sometimes we get tired at the end of the day and we study difficult subjects. This is the time when we are not able to concentrate and the subjects becomes more difficult. So you should get up early in the morning and you must concentrate on the subject in the morning, as mind is also fresh and there are no distractions in the morning. Tip number 4 is study light subjects in the evening. By light subjects, I mean you can study maths and English in the evening, because you don't have to learn them by heart. For maths, you have to just do practice and learn the formulas. You don't have to cram anything. Similarly, in English, if you have read all your chapters very carefully and with full concentration, you'll be able to answer all your questions. And you can practice reading, writing and grammar section. You need not learn them. So this is easy and light and you can study these subjects in the evening. Your tip number 5 is to get a sound sleep of at least 7-8 hours every day. Now you need not sleep for 7-8 hours at a stretch. You must sleep for 5-6 hours at night and take short naps in between your studies. Suppose you get up at 5:30 in the morning and study the difficult subject for at least 2 hours. After that, you must take a short nap because you feel sleepy also and you are tired also. You must set an alarm and get up accordingly. This is going to refresh your mind as you got up early in the morning and make you ready for the rest of the day. In this way, you can manage 2.5 hours of sleep during the day and 5-6 hours of sleep at night. You must also take nutritious diet which will keep you energized. So you must include fresh seasonal fruits in your daily diet. Very necessary that along with that you should keep some time for revision also, because revision will help you recall all the important points of the chapters which you marked with the green sketch pen, and then you will see that you have memorized them and you will feel confident also. So children, you will follow these tips, you will definitely get a good percentage in your exams. So work hard along with good balanced diet and a bit of amusement in between. All the best. Children, if you have enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe it. You can also write your comments in the comments box below. Thank you.